This is a video to show you how to create the Polygon art project. First, you want to start with a pencil, a ruler, and a white piece of paper. You're going to draw out the large polygon shape. Remember, a polygon has straight sides and is a closed figure. Notice how I'm using the ruler and creating an abstract shape. It doesn't have to be a square or a rectangle. It can have as many sides as you want as long as it is straight-sided and closed. Now that I'm done with the large polygon shape, I am going to now draw some lines inside the polygon shape, straight sides, straight lines. Right here I drew parallel lines and created a small triangle in the corner. You're going to do this as many times as you'd like, filling up the large polygon shape, creating parallel lines, perpendicular lines, different shapes like trapezoids, rectangles, squares, triangles. You can be as abstract as you want, as long as you are creating those straight lines. See there, I created a rhombus, a sort of slanted square, and I'm going to fill up the entire shape, making sure I'm including all those different types of lines, those quadrilaterals, triangles, all sorts of straight-sided polygons. There I created a perpendicular line, creating a right angle, and a quadrilateral. More parallel lines, and a rectangle. Keep doing this until you completely fill up that large polygon shape. Once you feel like your polygon is completely filled up with smaller polygons, you will begin to color it. So be sure when you are coloring, you are taking your time, using as many colors as you can, using different shades, and you're being as creative as possible. Notice how I'm using marker and colored pencil. You'll cut out, glue it to a black piece of paper, and write your name. Once you're done with that, you will complete the Polygon art project recording sheet. This part is the most important and is for a grade. It must be completed as well. You'll identify the larger polygon, so mine had 10 sides, so it's a decagon. And then you'll identify some lines on the inside, so I've got orange parallel. I've got the purple and green there, they are perpendicular. So I'm writing that in the line column. And then I've also got some other perpendicular and parallel lines as well. I've got red and pink are parallel. And then I've got a blue acute angle, a green obtuse angle, and a purple right angle. So I'm writing those in the angle column. And now I'm going to identify some of the shapes. So I've got a trapezoid, an orange trapezoid there, a green triangle, and it's a right triangle, and a yellow quadrilateral. and an orange rectangle. So fill up as many of those shapes, lines, and angles as you can. Okay, you need at least 3 of each, but if you do more, awesome. Make sure you check off each thing that needs to be done so that you get the full credit and maybe even some extra credit for extra creativity. Staple both papers and turn it in.